Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video I will show you, and I will also tell you how you can make it, so that the north is always on top on your Google Maps. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments under this video and put your likes. So, friends, let's get started. And if it's more convenient for you to always, when you're using the Google Maps app, the north is on top, because a lot of people find it easier to use maps that way. It's very easy to do. To do that, open up the Google Maps app. Now on the top right, click on your image, then Settings. And in the Settings, select the very first navigation option. Now in Navigation, you'll need to scroll down and find this option, which is called Enable North at the top. To enable this, you need to click on this button. After that, you will immediately see a change in Google Maps that you will now have north at the top. If unfortunately for some reason you don't see this option in Google Maps, then I suggest you go to your App Store or Google Play and update your Google Maps app. And after that, I am sure that this option will appear for you. Here is such a quick and simple method you can easily make the north to be on top on Google Map. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also be sure to write your comments and put likes. Take care, friends.